The last consumption method or route of administration we'll be covering includes topicals and transdermals. Topicals are cannabis-infused lotions, balms, salves, bath bombs, or oils that are applied to and absorbed by the skin to provide targeted relief from pain, muscle soreness, and inflammation. The effect can usually be felt within 5 to 10 minutes and last up to an hour. Aside from being discreet, topicals typically do not enter the bloodstream. This means they can be applied throughout the day for needed relief without any intoxicating effects like the other routes of administration. Transdermal products, like cannabis-infused patches, are slightly different. These products are applied to a venous part of your body, like your ankle, your arm, or the inside of your wrist. Your body heat then activates the patch, and it causes it to gradually release a small amount of cannabinoids through your skin and into your bloodstream. Since the body absorbs the cannabinoids slowly over a number of hours rather than all at once, consumers generally don't feel any intense euphoric effects, but we will note some intoxicating effects are still possible. Transdermal delivery is popular for those suffering from chronic issues like pain and anxiety that need all day or all night relief. Transdermals also bypass your lungs, liver, and stomach, so you get 100% of the medicinal value of the cannabinoids in the patch with sustained effects lasting anywhere from 6 to 12 hours. Unlike other routes of administration, patches deliver a precise and accurate dose each and every time. If the patch is too strong, you can always cut it in half, in fourths, just to start with a lower dose.